Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to BONK update today. So this here has made a little bit of a fake out, and that's just not very good. Okay, we had our opportunity to basically move to the upside. So you had your rounded bottom right there. You broke above the rounded bottom here, and you still could not make any success. Yes, this was a good try, and you should have taken the try, because honestly, no one, at the end of the day, trading is just possibilities. You never know. You get lucky and then it moves to the upside. So all you can do is have a nice good money management and then take an entry. If the stop loss gets taken away, stay out of it, move on to the next one. Simple. Okay, trading is just that simple. Just always take risk, but I may say calculated risk, not just random risk, throwing in money all the time and revenge trading and doing things and this and that. And I teach this. I teach this for 19 hours. I have a course, whole thing, especially for beginners. If you need that, just let me know. Now, the thing is that from here, I do see that this is still struggling to get above here. And I think that if you want to continue to go to the upside, we actually need to see BONK up to 3039. If it actually makes it up to 3039, probably this can actually mean that you're looking to go to the upside. So this could be the fake out, and that could also be the double fake out, and then finally go to the upside, which is some sort of manipulations, of course. Now, if you end up really coming down to 2476, this can also be very, very bad. Now, I do notice one thing. If I remove this curve here, is that you are holding some sort of a demand zone right here. So if you notice this, you've been touching this, moving up, touch again, a move up, and another touch and a move up. So I think that it's a bit of a mysterious area, this box that I just draw. And if you end up breaking below and touching 2476, it can actually drop even way more lower. So there are chances that we see a pump up, probably take 3039, and then eventually from there really move up to 3952, hopefully. So this target at the moment is not in play. Unfortunately, we still need to get to 3039 and actually stay above this little bit of turn the resistance basically into support. Yes, you do have the rounded bottom, but it's actually meaningless if you're not going to retest and hold it successfully. Even worse is that now you have another reason to go down, which can actually be left shoulder, head, right shoulder, come down here, retest, and it can actually even fall even more to the downside. And that's why I say come to 2476, head and shoulder is going to be playing out. Move up to 3039, right shoulder gets destroyed, and then you also go to all the way up to the upside, if that makes any sense. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.